Select a central location for the Z-Wave module. Place the module away from large metal objects to avoid interference. Remove the housing cover and carefully remove the PCB from the housing. Use the supplied screws to secure the housing against a flat wall or surface. Connect the 4 wires to the terminals. Connect the other end of the wire to the keypad bus. Connect the red wire to terminal 7, which supplies power. Connect the yellow wire to terminal 8 and the green wire to terminal 9. Connect the black wire to terminal 10, which is the ground. Snap the PCB back into the housing using the clips and snap the housing cover into place. The Z-Wave device is connected and ready to be programmed either from the keypad or the user's virtual keypad app. That's how to install a Z-Wave interface module to an XT series panel.